We know a lot of the videos we do here are things that maybe you guys can't do at home. Engine swaps and stuff like that definitely require a certain skill set. We also know a lot of you guys watch this channel because you want to learn how to work on your car. So today we're going to show you 5 great modifications for your 65 through 66 Mustang that we're confident anybody watching this can perform at home with some basic hand tools. First on my list is going to be a new instrument bezel and lens. Now again, keep in mind 65 and 66 are different, but the installation is the same. It's a great way to freshen up your interior, and it's very easy to do even for a first-time installer. Next on my list is going to be a new set of Fender emblems. Again, this is something that will really wake up the look of your car. Fresh emblems make a huge change on the outside of your car, and overall, they're pretty easy to install. Next on my list is a new set of quarter ornaments. Now the quarter ornaments are the easiest way to tell a 65 from a 66, but they're also fairly easy to install. Now you do have to remove some interior panels to do it, so it'll take a couple hours, but again, very easy to do with basic hand tools. Next on the list is a set of seat track extenders. If you're over 6 feet tall, you're going to find there's not a lot of legroom in the classic Mustang. A set of seat track extenders gives you a couple more inches of legroom, and again, pretty straightforward. You do have to remove the seats to install them, but it's not bad to do, even for a beginner mechanic. And last but not least, an electronic ignition upgrade from Pertronics. Getting rid of your factory points and installing a Pertronics igniter is going to make your car be a lot more reliable and make it run a lot better. Requires very, very basic wiring, and again, it's something any mechanic can do. Now those are 5 great parts for your 65 through 66 Mustang that I have no doubt anybody watching this video with even a basic set of tools can accomplish at home, make the Mustang look or run a lot better, and get back on the road in no time.